Fear in Kampala. Uganda has confirmed an Ebola case in the capital after a patient died at Kabuli Muslim Hospital. Residents now worry the virus could spread. The Zaire strain is the most lethal, says government scientist Dr. Misaki Wayanjera. But he notes that improved care, like hydration and circulation support, can now reduce death rates.
These people need some support for their circulatory system. They are losing a lot of water, they are losing blood, they need to be supported. But now, as our care has improved, we've learned that we can reduce the fatality rate.
His solution? Cheap, rapid tests for anyone with a fever.
I think that the solution to this would be for us to have tests that are cheap, affordable, point-of-care tests, which cost very little money, that anybody who comes in with a fever, we can test them.
Early detection, he says, is the key to stopping this outbreak before it explodes.